Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of push-ups. Now, you might think you know everything there is to know about push-ups. But what if I told you there's a secret technique that can help you perform a perfect push-up with ease? Yes, you heard right. The key to nailing a perfect push-up lies in your form. Remember, good form means less strain on your muscles and joints. And that's what we're aiming for. Here's how you can do it. 1. Start by getting into a traditional plank position. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart and your shoulders are directly over your wrists. Keep your legs straight and engage your core muscles for stability. 2. Maintain a straight line from your head to your toes throughout the exercise. This ensures that all the work is done by your arms and not your spine or hips. 3. Now, lower yourself down by bending your arms at the elbows until your chest almost touches the ground. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line throughout the movement. 4. Push yourself back up using the strength of both arms and repeat the process until completion or until you feel satisfied with your set. Remember, fitness isn't just about lifting heavy weights or running long distances. It's about mastering the basics and understanding how our bodies work together as one unit. So next time you hit the gym or start a workout routine, remember to focus on form and technique first. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in with us today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. Until next time, stay fit and keep pushing yourself towards achieving those fitness goals.